Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and this is Madame Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, in this episode, we're going to be talking about the Major Arcana Tarot card that is associated with the astrological sign of Aquarius, and that is the Star card. The Star card, it's pretty evident why this one is associated with Aquarius. If you know the symbol of Aquarius, it's the water bearer. It's a lovely young woman, usually, who is pouring a jug of water. And in the Star card, we see that exact symbol. Here we have a lovely woman who is pouring water into a pool and pouring water onto the land. So it's very, very clear that this is the Aquarian card. So what else does this card have to do with Aquarian energy? Well, the Star card is about connecting to divine energy. And Aquarians themselves think outside of the box. These are the inventors, the scientists who are on the leading edge, the artists who are doing something that pushes the envelope. They are really the ones who are going outside of the norm, going outside of what typical people are doing and inventing new things. They're leading the pack. They are at the cutting edge at all times. So we see the star energy showing up as the electrical connection of getting downloads, for example, from divine messages and so on. So the Star card has that quality that the Aquarian has, in that it's innovative, it's beyond the typical experience, and it's something leading edge, something that is outside of the typical norm that we see out in the world. When we see the Star card show up in a reading, you can invoke this quality of the Aquarian, the forward thinking, the innovation, the cutting edge energy. When you are an Aquarian and you see this card show up in a reading, you can have a special connection to it, knowing that it reflects that part of you that is the innovator, the scientist who is leading the pack. If you want to bring more innovation, more downloads, more connection to this inspiration, as an Aquarian has, you can use the Star card as that point of attraction, either by using it magically or by meditating on the Star card. So thank you very much for joining me on this little journey where we looked at the connection between Aquarius and the Star card. I'm Madame Pamita, and this is Madame Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Be sure to head over there. I do tarot readings, and I also offer a ton of great resources for you to learn about the tarot and to learn about magic. Check out the videos, the how-to guides, and so much more that I have over there for you. Also, I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel by hitting that red subscribe button below so that you can join me on this journey, and be sure to get every video that comes out right away. You'll find out about it and join us here in our tribe. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to bringing you another video very, very soon.